guys, it's me, Kaden. Welcome back to my channel. And today we're going to be making some gluten-free pierogies, and I'm going to take you with me to show you how. Okay, first things first, we're going to mix our dough. And by the way, I have gluten-free flour in this bowl, and I'm going to pour 1 cup of milk, like almond milk, and 3 egg whites. And now we're mixing the dough together.
A few moments later.
Alright, our dough is done, so now we need to make the filling. And the potatoes are boiled! Now we're gonna mash the potatoes. Now that we have the potatoes mashed, we're gonna put this in this pan so that we can mix the mushrooms and onions, and that will be our filling. Now we're gonna try the filling to see if it tastes good. Nope, it's good. I forgot to add the shape and cookie pierogies part, so check the description. Okay, so we finished cooking my pierogies. So first, we boiled them in water, and second, we fried them with fried onions. Now we're ready to try them. Very good. Wow, they turn out great. You should try this yourself. Well, that's all for my cooking video, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.